So you probably ran into this annoying error as well on Suno, where we want to create a song using existing lyrics. In my case, it's going to be Michael Jackson's Thriller. When we try to create a song, very soon we're going to realize that that's not possible. It's going to give us an error that we're using copyrighted material right here, that it can't generate that. So what's the alternative? Unfortunately, I haven't found a fix within Suno itself. On some occasions, very few occasions, I managed to get a song through. The only issue is though, people are already noticing that Suno is, or that they're getting copyright strikes on whatever songs they've generated with Suno. So we need a better alternative. And I've looked very long and hard to find something, but finally I did. It's a tool called Top MIDI AI. It's this one right here. It's basically an all-in-one platform. It offers image to video, voiceovers, text-to-speech, video generation, all of that good stuff. But we're going to focus obviously on the music generator part. So I'm going to navigate to AI music generator here. I will also put a link in the description so you can just easily navigate to the music generating part of this website. We can play around with this tool for free. If you sign up, you get a few free credits to play around with, and you get some daily credits as well for creating some songs, which is nice. We're right here on the music generation part, and you might notice that it looks very similar to Suno, which is exactly why this tool is so amazing. Of all of the music generator tools that I've found, nothing comes even close to this. Either they don't allow copyrighted lyrics, or either it's just an entirely different workflow than what we're used to in Suno. This tool is exactly the same workflow. It uses exactly the same advanced settings as well. We can, define our weirdness, our style, influence, whatever. We even have some more options when it comes to downloading our songs, but we'll get to that later. So I'm going to input here the lyrics of Michael Jackson's Thriller. And I'm going to say that I want the reggae version for this one. I'm going to create a song, and yeah, we're not going to get any issues here. I've tried this with many different songs, and I never ran into a copyright issue. We're also seeing on YouTube many different channels doing this exactly the way I'm doing it right now, with original lyrics, and they're basically just making cover songs and getting millions of views. That might also be the reason why you're watching this video. It's also one of the reasons why I went into looking exactly how they did what they did using copyrighted material. I'm gonna let the AI finish this song here, and I'll be back in a second. All right, it's done generating. Let's have a listen.
It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart.
Alright, I'm not gonna make you listen to the entire song, but you get the idea. We didn't run into any issues, no copyright claims whatsoever, and the output quality is absolutely amazing. I think, honestly, that they're just using Suno's API, but somehow without the copyright restrictions. I'm not entirely sure though. Let me know in the comments if you have played around a lot with Suno and if you can tell a difference with this tool. But it's what I'm going to be using as of now, especially for creating these cover songs. I've been playing around with that as well. And yeah, honestly, it's so trending right now that it almost feels stupid not to try some things out. When it comes to downloading our songs, though, we have a lot of options here. We can download the vocals, the instrumental part, the original song in MP3 format or in WAV. This is always going to be better quality. We also have the option to download subtitle files, which is great. This is something that Suno doesn't offer. It's nice if you want to create karaoke style videos. If you use CapCut for editing your videos, you're able to auto-generate captions, but it's gonna mess up a lot of times where you have to do a lot of manual editing. So actually to have this option is great as well. You can generate a video too. I haven't actually tried this yet, but it's amazing that they offer the option. There's some more things here. You can download the song sheet music, all of this good stuff right here. We have a commercial license. We have the option to extend our song. So yeah, a lot of the Suno options, not exactly the studio that they offer. That's also for their more expensive plan. So I doubt many people are actually using that. I've played around with it a bit and it's more complicated or more annoying to work with than I expected. It's definitely not the way it should be, but it's a very nice feature to have on Suno that we unfortunately do not have on this tool right here. Anyway, that's the tool. I'll link to this in the description. That's the best alternative you're gonna be able to find to create cover songs. Trust me, I've done my research. If you, for some reason, have another tool or whatever, you're free to let me know and I'll take a look at that. I'm gonna give you a bonus tip as well, because you might have also noticed that when we try to fetch lyrics for a song, for example, Michael Jackson's Thriller here on ChatGPT, it doesn't do that. So for some weird reason, it just seems very weird to me that they're not able to provide me with basically what I'm doing is a simple Google search. That's kind of what I'm asking it. So I can't do that on ChatGPT, but on Grok, it doesn't give me any issues at all. So that's a bonus tip I'm giving you right here. If you just want to easily get the lyrics for a song, always make sure to double check though. But right here, these are exactly the lyrics of Michael Jackson's Thriller, and already it kind of gave it to me with these kind of header styles. I also am working on a workflow right now. If you're interested in creating cover song videos, then this is going to be extremely useful. This is a video I plan to make within the next week, over the following weeks, whatever. Make sure to stay tuned for that, but I'm going to show you an example. So it's just something I'm working on. It's not completely refined just yet, but let's say I want to, Michael Jackson Thriller, and let's say I want this in a reggae style as well. So I just hit enter. This is the instructions I basically gave the AI, is to give me all of this as the output. We have the lyrics right here. We have it optimized in Suno-expert style. We even have like a reggae version, I can use this with any style, by the way. I can use R&B, I can use gospel, I can use whatever, and it's gonna make me something that is fitting for that particular style. So I have the entire block that I can just copy paste in our new music generator tool. And I also have the style here that I can just copy paste. It even gives me already all of the YouTube SEO data. So titles, description, YouTube tags. That's what I'm working on. It's not entirely refined yet, but if you're looking for something like that, I'm gonna make a video on my entire workflow of creating cover songs and posting them on YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video. Cheers.